how to get a Game Pass link in Roblox mobile. So this can be really useful if you want to share a direct link to in-game items or Game Passes. Now to do this, we're going to close out of the Roblox app and we're just going to load up an internet browser. You can then head over to the website roblox.com, and of course you'll need to go and sign in to your Roblox account. Now, once you're signed into your account, click on the Create tab at the top of the page. You could then click on the settings bar in the top left-hand side, and then select Creations. Now go and select your Roblox place, click on the navigation bar once again, click on the drop down next to monetization, and select passes. Now from this window, you'll see all of your different game passes. So if you scroll over to the right hand side, you can see these 3 vertical dots next to the game pass. You can simply go and click on these dots and select Copy Pass ID. Now once this has been copied, click on the address bar at the bottom of the page. Now type in roblox.com/game-pass/, and then you'll need to go and paste in the number that we just copied, and then you can press enter. Now as you can see, this will take you over to your Game Pass, and this is now the Game Pass link that you've generated on your mobile.